So this pose is called Utthita Trikonasana, otherwise known as triangle pose. So it's the same setup if you saw the Warrior Two stance. It's very similar setup in terms of the placement of your feet. So again, we'll start from the top of your mat, and I'm stepping my left foot back. Same stance as the Warrior Two. My back foot is parallel with the back of my mat. My heels are in line with each other. Basically, we can assume that it's the same starting point for the legs, just to get into the shape. So I'll explain. We started with Warrior Two, then with Utthita Trikonasana, with Trikonasana triangle pose. It's the same idea, except now you're straightening your front leg, and then your arms that were in Warrior Two, so like so, and then you hinge at your hips. So again, it's a really nice stance. I'm lengthening through both hands, maybe even looking up at my left thumb. I'm trying to engage my core. So keeping your core engaged really helps with the stability. I'm drawing my left hip back, right hip forward. My front leg, my quad, is engaged and switched on. Again, I'm pressing into the ball of my front foot as well as my heel and the outer edge of my left foot. So you see some people taking a rest and placing their hand here, but it's better to try and rather find the full expression of the shape. Usually when people place their hand here, it's because they're tired and they want to take a break. But ideally, you want your hands lengthened and my shoulder stacked on top of my left shoulder, top shoulder, stacked on top of the right one or the bottom one. And again, I'm looking up and I'm rotating my chest slightly outwards. So again, it's a very active shape. All of these standing postures are very involved, very active. And then to come out of it, you can rebend into Warrior Two and maybe into a wide-legged forward fold just to come out of both shapes. So again, that was Utthita Trikonasana, triangle pose. Feel free to, again, try it out. Let me know how you enjoy it, and I'll see you for the next one.